I'm Rian Mark C. Barbero. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, simulan na natin. Topic 1. Processor directives, main function, namespace, and basic input-output. Simulan na natin guys. Hashtag include tapos iostream tapos using namespace std tapos lagay na natin yung int main. Tapos ito. Tapos lagay muna natin yung return 0 sa last. Simulan na natin guys. Lagay natin yung int num. Ganyan guys. Tapos mag-cout tayo guys. Cout. Ganyan lang guys. Tapos lagyan natin ng ganyan. Tapos enter a number. Pwede rin num, pwede rin ganyan kung gusto nyo. Pwede rin to number. Tapos lagyan natin ng ganyan. Tapos yung ganun. Tapos lagyan natin ng ganyan guys. Ito yung output prompts user. Ganyan na guys. Tapos mag-cin tayo guys. Cin. Ganito na yung cin guys. Cin num. Tapos ito yung input. Kung saan natin nilalagay yung number. Tapos mag-cout tayo guys. Cout. Ito yung kanya. Ito yung resulta or output niya guys. Tapos lagay natin yung num para mabasa nyo. Tapos lagay natin yung NL. Tapos ganyan. Ito yung output display or input value. Scan na natin guys. I-run natin para makita natin yung pinalalabasan. Yan guys, yung resulta nya. Lagay natin. Ready guys, ito yung resulta nya. Ito yung topic 2 guys. Primitive data types, type modifiers, escape sequences, and formatting output. Simulan na natin. Hashtag include pause iostream. Tapos using namespace std. tapos int main, tapos ganyan guys, tapos ganyan, tapos simulan na natin int age and 25, tapos double pi, guys, tapos ganyan guys, tapos mag cout tayo guys, cout, yan lang guys, tapos age, tapos ganyan guys, tapos ganyan guys, age, tapos ganyan guys, lang natin yung ganyan, and tapos name, tapos yan natin ng ganyan guys, tapos ganun ulit guys, ganyan, tapos G, tapos T, yan pangalan ko guys, tapos yan natin ng ganyan guys, tapos ganyan, cout ulit tayo guys, cout, fix, tapos ganyan guys, tapos set precision, ganyan guys, tapos anong ganun, tapos pi, sulat natin yan guys, tapos lagyan natin ng ganun, tapos pi and L, tapos ganyan guys, tapos return 0, tapos yung ganun guys, tapos testing na natin guys, may error guys, may lang natin guys, yung mali, tanggalin natin doon guys, ayan guys, yan yung kinalabasan niya guys, the output escape format floating point. Hello guys, ito yung topic 3, operation, arithmetic assignment, relational, logical. So simulan na natin guys, hashtag include iostream using name space std, int main, so ganyan guys, tapos lagyan natin ng ganun, simulan na int a, tapos ganyan guys, tapos 10, tapos b 20, tapos int sum, a plus b, Tapos C out. C out natin. Sum. Tapos sum. Guys. Tapos if A B, tapos yan natin ng ganyan. Tapos B greater than 15. Tapos yan natin ng ganyan guys. Tapos yung ganon. C out. C out natin guys. C out. Condition is true. Condition is true. Tapos lagyan natin ng ganun guys. Tapos ganun. Tapos end L. Tapos ganun. Tapos lagyan natin ng ganun guys. Tapos A plus guys, 5. Tapos C out. Yan guys, A after plus con equals. Tapos ganyan guys. Tapos ganyan. Tapos return 0 guys. Sabihin natin ng ganun. Wait natin. Ito na guys, shows the results of arithmetic operation, condition, evaluation, and assignments. Ito yung sum, condition is true, A after plus, and equals, and yung 15 guys.